YouTube, what up? It's your boy Mike T's. I'm back at you with another video. Check out that Halloween shirt. It's fire, ain't it? Fuego. Social distancing and wearing a mask in public since 1978. A little twist, a little spin off. But yo, we about to hop into this contest. And no, this isn't the contest shirt. So Heat Transfer Warehouse provided two substrates for me to use. One being this black bag, perfect for trick-or-treating, right? And my size, long sleeve. Now, I am currently on the weight loss journey. You know, I did have 10 kids, so y'all have to bear with me. If I can fit into this, then we on to something. But if not, I won't be wearing it. The first flavor that they handed me, or that they personally hand selected for your boy Mike T's, is this moss. Easy weed. To me, it looks more like swamp green more than moss green. The second flavor they gave me was this Wallow Orange Puff. And y'all, I do have the door open as we're not turning on the air. It's not that time of year. It's time to let some of that fresh air in, so you may hear cars and other noise from the background. Last year I did a pumpkin with this and I used Echo film. Y'all should go back through my videos and check that out. I have some Caesar white glitter right here. Wicked purple. This would be a nice hat or witch's face. These are nice fall colors, by the way. Easy weed orange. Now to some of the more shinier colors.
My favorite.
Caesar Twanny. It kind of reminds me of a copper color. We also got Caesar Twinkle. Burnt orange is what I like to call it, or blood orange. Sparkle. Yes, I rename everything. That's so I know what it is when I go to reach for it. And no, it may not be the name that came on the package, but I have to rename everything. This is Caesar Sparkle Sunset Orange. Now, I know you remember a couple videos back, I tried to sublimate on this, and it didn't come out the way it was supposed to. Straight horrible. We're gonna do a part 2 to that, trust. Easy Weed Reflective Silver. Caesar Holographic Fire Lit Pearl. In my last video, I kept saying Fire Flit, but that's what was on the sticker. So I had to go back and do some real due diligence, some soul searching, some deep digging, and I found out it was Fire Lit, not Flick. Easy Weed Glow in the Dark. Deco Film, aka Special Materials, Metallic Silver. You can get all of these flavors that I just went through at Heat Transfer Warehouse. Once again, go hit them up. They're having a way too early sale. Trust me, you're gonna find something on there that you want, or that could possibly help your custom apparel business out. Well, let's get into the theme. Maybe this year I would do a theme. Last one was a little bit sporadic, and I'm talking about the what decoration challenge was it? I had a car on there, and I thought I was killing it with the car. You know, the 3D-ness, and I guess I wasn't. Came in last place. This one, I'm coming for the crown. So, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to try to use as many colors as they sent to me, and I'm going to do it in a way of a theme. My theme goes like this. Now that Halloween is here, and Thanksgiving is near, be ready for Christmas and a Happy New Year. So somehow, I'm going to tie all of those holidays into the top shirt and into the Halloween bag. See if we can come up with some type of unique custom that's never been seen or done before. So working with so many different vinyls, you're going to want to make sure that you're using the right press time. Now this is going to be considered somewhat of a layering job, so there will be different times and temps and pressures for pressing all these different vinyls. So you can find all of the application settings at Heat Transfer Warehouse. And you can see I just have one up, the Deco Soft Film Metallics. At the bottom of the screen, it gives us a description, application instructions, videos, and also pricing. But I'm just gonna go for one right now. And that deco film heats up at 302 Fahrenheit to 320 degrees for 7 to 8 seconds, which is a wide range and a wide variety of time, which is why I chose that one. It lets me know that I have a couple of options when it comes to that deco film. Don't forget to come So I put down as many like layers as I could for this actual press. And the reason that being is because you don't want to overdo it when it comes to pressing. So currently the store is open while I am shooting this video. And there's all types of traffic and you guys can hear the door that's open. I do apologize about that. However, I'm trying to get this video out to you. What I was simply saying back there though is you got to be careful when pressing your actual vinyls. I'm leaving the puff out on purpose because I want that to be my very last layer. For the optimization as far as the lift, you want to make sure that you have the correct pressure, the correct time, and the correct temp. Key essential elements when pressing Walla Puff. Now, I wanted to show you guys on one of my shirts that I did do. You got to be extra careful too because in some of these vinyls you'll leave indentations. And no one wants an indentation. Now, will the person buying the shirt actually pay attention to the indentation? I don't know. But I do know that it bothers me. And I always go in for that over press. And I press that Teflon sheet on top of it to make everything even. Let's head back to the heat press. By the way, this is Walleye. If y'all haven't met him, we're going to formally introduce him, Walleye. You can get this at Heat Transfer Warehouse. Go ahead and hit them up. Use the link that's in the description. But we're going to press those several layers that you just seen all at once. How long are we going to press it for? Guys, look. I'm going the full 15 seconds. I'm not taking no chances on this one. Now, typically, I do say with flaring, you go half the amount of time. However, that puff being last and actually finishing, let's let that open. Finishing up the shirt, I don't want to keep having to press. So right now I'm doing full presses with the vinyls that I know can withstand the heat during my research, trial, and error. So you always give the holographic a little bit more time to cool off. You don't want to peel that off first. But the Caesar Sparkle should come right on off. And you won't have a problem with repressing these vinyls. Christmas comes right on off. You guys will see what I'm doing and what I'm working with and how I'm doing things here in a second. Happy New Year came right on off. Let's check the and. All right. So the holographic's ready. Now you can see where the blank spots are and easily you should be able to tell that I'm about to use my other ingredients or flavors / vinyls onto the shirt. The ones that's temperamental. The ones that I needed to save to the last. So now you can see more layers have developed on this shirt. Now I'm not going to press this puff. Letting the bus go by, y'all. I'm not going to press this puff right now. I'm just wanting to make sure that my placements is right on where I'm putting everything else. As you can see, this is a busy shirt. But I utilized the most of the heat transfer vinyl that I did get from Heat Transfer Warehouse. You can see the fluorescent Walla orange here, the glow in the dark Caesar here, the sparkle right here, also right here. You can also see the fire lit pearl holographic Caesar right here. Some more of the puff, neon Walla puff that is. We can keep on going. Fire lit pearl, glow in the dark, white glitter, fire lit pearl. You know, the little sandwich effect. I'm just trying to get the most into this shirt. Yes, this is an eyeful, but there's no way that you can miss this. Plus, now you have a shirt that you could wear for 4 holidays straight. So a quick recap of what we do have on here. We got the neon Walla puff. We got the glow in the dark Caesar. We got the Caesar fire lit pearl. We also got the Caesar sparkle over here, and that sunset orange. Over here as well, we got the white glitter by Caesar. White glitter by Caesar. As you can see, I tried to use everything. The Christmas tree is the moss easy weed. That's Walleye letting me know she ready. Yeah, I incorporated as many flavors as possible. Now I did the puff for last because it's the puff. It's temperamental. You want to make sure that it rises right. So your degrees must be set to 275 degrees for 10 seconds. Medium pressure. You don't want nothing overbearing because you want that puff to rise, as it is one of the features to this shirt. There's the puff. So it rose a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Ain't as much as I would have liked it to raise, but it raised. And if you can get like a side view to show them that it raised. So yes, that's the shirt. I'm gonna add one more thing onto the arm, and that's gonna be this. But you'll see it when I have it on my body. Let's move on to the bag. So you can see I have some reflective on here. I have some glow in the dark. I got some 20 on here. I got some Walla Puff. I got some sparkle on here. So look, yo, I use every color except for two. Which two did I use? Oh. Oh. The orange easy weed and the purple easy weed, which is gonna go on the back. And I'll show you right after I'm done pressing. Yo, look at how dope this came out. You got all your different colors on there. You got your puff, you got your holographics, you got your glitter, you got your moss greens, you got your sparkles, you even got your glow in the dark. Right here with matching accessories. And hopefully y'all have learned a little bit of something. Now, in my other video, I felt I was a little bit too wordy. So this one, I didn't go through every step, every process. Just know this, all the colors that Heat Transfer Warehouse sent me, Mike utilized today. And I'm about to go down that list right now. Wicked Purple, Easy Weed from Caesar. With the orange, Easy Weed from Caesar. Flip it over. We got some reflective. Also, I believe is, just in case, it's Easy Weed Silver Reflective. We got the Sparkle, Sunset Orange Sparkle we utilized on here. We also have this wonderful, this looks rose gold to me, but it's not, it's Caesar 20. We utilize that puff, that Walla Puff on there, you already know. The glow in the dark, Caesar glow in the dark. Onto the shirt. We use the holographic Fire Lit Pearl by Caesar, holographic. We use some of that Walla Puff here, there. Some more of that glow, Caesar Easy Weed. Some of that Sunset Orange, Caesar Sparkle, Sunset Orange right there. Caesar 20 right there. Moss Green, which looks like swamp green to me, more than moss. And then our white glitter. And you see I utilized every flavor that they gave me. And I think it came with a pretty nice thing. So guys, you know, let me know what you could have done or would have done different with the same flavors that I had. And like I said, the materials as far as the equipment, Walleye over there, hop on it. That way too early sale is popping. It's popping right now. You got all of the major holidays right now. You have Halloween, you have Thanksgiving, you have Christmas, you have New Year's, and then some of the other holidays that fall in between. But I hope y'all have enjoyed my competition submission video. And to the next one, y'all, I'm